Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix your spongy brake on your F-150, maybe other Ford models too, not sure. But what I have came across is like after you change your brake pads, for some reason your brakes feel spongy, feels like you have a ball underneath your pedal. Well, I just put it there, but just to give you guys an idea that what it feels like, you press the brakes, it's no longer the same thing. It's like, why? After doing some research on forums, and there's so much garbage out there. People say you gotta bleed the brakes now, after changing the brake pads, and so on. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys, in 10 minutes or less, and it will cost you only $30 to fix your problem. You don't need to bleed your brakes, nothing. Let me show you what the problem is. Why brakes are spongy after changing the brake pads. It's quite simple. And surprisingly, I haven't found a video on this subject. So, let me show you what I mean. Take a look at this. What do you guys see on this table? Well, you're looking at brake pads. These are the brake pads from Ford F-150. Do you guys notice the problem here? Or something different? See the ears? You see the ears on the side? There is 2 ears. Well, on most of the cars that I came across, front brake pads, left or right, it didn't really matter. On Ford F-150, apparently there is a difference. You see the difference? There is the ears. Well, these ears, that's what makes a difference when changing the brake pads. Either you have the spongy brake feel or you don't have. So take a look at this picture of the caliper. Your caliper has a piston, 2 pistons, and has a holes on the side. As I'm showing you on this picture, see those holes by the pistons? One at the top, one at the bottom. And then on the opposite side of the piston, you don't have only one hole in the middle. Well, if you install your brake pads incorrectly with those ears on opposite side of the piston, then you're gonna have a spongy brake feel. So how to fix this? Well, you gotta put your brake pad with those ears, call them ears or whatever you wanna call them, those ears, with those little humps or bumps next to the piston, next where you have 2 holes. That's how the Ford designed. I don't know why, but apparently they see a purpose of this, having those 2 bumps or little hills, whatever you want to call them, to be next to your 2 pistons, next to the pistons, not the opposite side. The opposite side doesn't have any of this stuff. So, if you've been driving with a spongy brake feel, just go get yourself a new pads. I'll post a link where you can buy it, probably around $30, maybe less, and replace them and put them in the correct way. And that will fix your problem. That's fixed my problem. I did it on purpose just to see what difference does it make. And suddenly, you go from having normal brakes, from normal brakes to these spongy brakes, like you have a ball underneath there. It's like, what's going on? It's like, how do you deal with this? Well, that's how you deal with this. You just replace them. You just replace the brake pad and install them correctly, and your problem is solved. So, drop me a comment if you had this experience after changing the brake pads and suddenly they became spongy, and what did you do? How did you resolve? Or you still keep driving it, or you took it to the dealer or to the shop? So that's the problem. That's the problem. It's just a Ford created 2 completely different brake pads. One is for the left, one is for the right, next to the caliper pistons, and the opposite. On most of the cars that I have been working, like I said, they're the same thing. There is no difference between left and right for each caliper, for each side. So, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others. Let other people post this video on forums or Facebook. Let people know, let people share, so people are aware of this and save themselves money without going to the shop. There will be another video coming out soon, how to replace those pads, brake pads and rotors on F-150. Thank you and have a Great day.